Okay, so we are solving equations with parentheses. So what we're going to want to do first to solve this equation is we're going to want to distribute. So we're going to want to distribute the 2, and we're going to want to distribute the 3. So now we're going to multiply 2 by x and 5. So we're going to get 2x plus 10 minus 7. And we're going to do the same thing with the 3 on this side. So we're going to multiply it by the 4 and x. So we're going to get equals 12 minus 3x and plus 6. So now what we're going to want to do is we're just going to combine the constants. So we're just going to get 2x plus 3 and do the same thing on the other side. And now we're going to get 18 minus 3x. So now we just subtract the 3 on both sides. And now we're going to end up with 2x equals 15 minus 3x. So now we want to move one of our variables to one of the sides. So I'm going to add 3x on both sides. So that way we get 5x, which equals 15. And now we just need to solve. So we just divide 5x by 15 and x equals 3. Now we have our solution. We need to plug it back into the original equation to make sure that it fits. So we're going to have 2, 3 plus 5 minus 7 equals 3, 4 minus 3 plus 6. So now we're just going to distribute. So this is going to be 6 plus 10 minus 7 equals, distribute again, 12 minus 9 plus 6. Now we just need to combine all of our constants together. So 16 minus 7 equals 3 plus 6. 16 minus 7 is 9, and 3 plus 6 is 9. So 9 equals 9. So 3 is a solution.